Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
You start by making the surface perfectly clean because contaminants cause flashing. Once wiped and tack-clothed, mix the paint to the manufacturer ratio, strain it, and load the gun. Make your first passes thin and wet. Avoid heavy buildup. Use a steady, overlapping 50% pattern and keep the gun distance constant, about 6-8 inches. This sets an even wet film so solvent flashes uniformly rather than unevenly, reducing early gloss variation and fish eyes. Once the first coats are down, focus on consistent film thickness to prevent flashing. You apply 2-3 thin coats, letting each flash the recommended time. Shorter flashes trap solvent, longer flashes reduce adhesion. Keep ambient temp and humidity steady. Make small adjustments to reducer speed rather than speed painting. Make sure to maintain the same spray angle and overlap across the panel. If you see matte streaks forming while spraying, slow down and feather the edges. This equalizes. Once coats are complete, let the paint flash and cure properly. Do not rush with heavy bake that can lock in uneven gloss. If you still get flashing, patchy gloss, identify whether it's contamination or film thickness variance. Lightly wet sand the affected area with 1,500-2,000 grit. Clean, then apply a thin glaze coat or final clear coat pass. Make sure to feather into surrounding areas to match gloss. This targeted sanding plus controlled recoating usually fixes flashing without stripping the entire panel.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.